and gentlemen, Rouse Automotive. It is toy time. Got a little tool here we're going to try out. And this particular tool that I got here is the Autool CT200. And what that is, it's a fuel injector tester and cleaner. It does the ultrasonic cleaning in the bowl here. I literally just unboxed it. I've had a injector rail laying over here from my Mitsubishi. And what we getting here is some accessories, as in different adapters. We got two more cables. We got some plugs to plug off what's not needed, and the way that works is there is a fuel delivery rail just like you have in an automobile, and this particular one here will hold up to six injectors at a time. You know, you can do, they give you 5 plugs, so you can blank off 5, so you can do one injector just as easily as you can do 6 of them at a time. What the machine does, like I said, it cleans, and you can check an injector if the injector is flowing the right amount of fuel, if they're even. You know, if you want to flow match something or whatever. You know, I've not been through the whole process of this machine. You know, I'm familiar with the practice of cleaning injectors. I had a friend of mine that actually did that, but I just wanted to bring you all along. I just literally unboxed that thing, and what I'm using in it is this odorless mineral spirits. Of course, when you fill this thing up, always make sure that the lid goes back on the fill. I'm going to call it a funnel. That's got a built-in funnel. Make sure that lid goes back on there. You don't want no dust, dirt, or anything going in that. That's going to be counterproductive. The first complaint that I had with the machine is the fuel delivery rail. It actually had burrs where it's been cross-drilled. You got to understand, you know, you have to cross-drill the aluminum bar in order to connect all the holes. So they didn't deburr that at all, and that would have been extremely bad if right away these little chips go into the injector. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We can test an injector, or we can also reverse an injector and clean it that way as well. I haven't figured all that out. I don't know these adapters that come with the machine. I don't know what all they will let us do, but anyway, I just figured I'd make a really quick video here. And it is going to be a really quick video here because, like I said, I got it set up. It tells you what it does here: ultrasonic cleaning, idle test, medium speed test, high speed test, acceleration test, shifting speed test, leak checking test, and idling spray value test, medium speed spray value test, and then high speed spray value test. Reverse flushing, no disassembly cleaning, and then 13 is the unit information. But anyway, I'm just going to randomly pick number 3. Okay, that's a medium speed test. So I'm going to dial in the 3, and we'll go ahead and hit the start button. And there you go. Now you can check spray patterns and all that good stuff. I might not have them set up exactly centered. That might be why it looks off a little bit. But that wasn't the purpose of the video. Anyway, that's what we're doing here. So, basically purging the line. I'm going to go ahead and stop that now. So everything assumingly should be purged and full. we should have a hose full. The manifold should be full. If the injectors don't leak, now we're going to take this and close it off. Close these little tubes off, and we're actually going to do the test. Of course, this is a time test. So we'll let that run its course. I hope I got enough liquid in it. Okay, so if the differences, like over here, you know, we got milliliter display on it, we're 70, 76 maybe. Here we're a little bit below, just a smidge below 70, you know, 75, 70 again, you know. The difference here is probably not gonna hurt a whole lot when it gets right here, and like a little over 60 milliliters, and this one here had flowed even less. Then that becomes a problem. So I'm gonna have to double check. We may have a little bit of leak. But in any event, I think this one here is not flowing like the others. It may have been leaking down on the bottom. There's a flapper, a seal on the bottom that's supposed to hold that fluid in there. If it doesn't do that, of course, we're going to have to do some investigating and see if we can get that part of it fixed. And I'm going to go ahead and pause it, like I said, or stop it. We'll make a real quick video. You do see this one here. It doesn't look like it's leaking down fast enough to make a big difference. But anyway, that one right there is either weak or dirty. So we can see that. I'm going to get a little bit more familiar with the machine and see what all I can do with the adapters. Like I said, these here injectors are off of Mitsubishi Eclipse. There is a book that's got flow rates and all that good stuff in it. You know, it gives you all the information for the injectors. I'll have to come up with something on that. Like I said, this is new to me. But anyway, I figured I'd give this machine a try. The cost on it is not that bad. Relatively inexpensive for what it is. But I just figured I'll bring y'all along and do a quick little video on the setup and all that good stuff. And there you go, guys. I guess one more thing to add in there. These two drain valves right here. This one here is for your ultrasonic cleaner, and this one is the main tank that delivers the fluid to the injectors. I didn't mention that. I wanted to throw that in there. And of course, you got a pressure gauge in here. Like I said, I'm not 100% for sure about the tool yet. I'll add more stuff as I do it. I was anxious to see what the deal is with these injectors here. And as a matter of fact, I got another set to do right away. So I'm gonna cut it off right here, and till next time.